Welcome back to Bali. With our welcome drink. What did he say this was?
Honey mint.
Honey mint something. Tastes good. First with the flour. My mom also with the flour. This is one of the bedrooms. That's supposed to be Parthamai's bedroom. And it's really nice. A little bit of a garden view. So on the one side, it's like outside. And then on the other side, it's an outdoor shower, an outdoor bathtub. So very romantic. I have such a fear of bugs and lizards that I've asked my mom to switch rooms with us. So my mom's gonna take this romantic room and we're gonna go upstairs. And this is our upstairs living room, the second bedroom that Parth and I are gonna be using. So this is cool, it has like a vaulted ceiling. So we just got back from dinner and they do like a turn down service in this hotel, and so like they put down these sheets. Look how romantic and cute it is in here. So if I climb in here, I'm like in my own little fort. And conveniently, Parth and I didn't push the beds together yet, so I have my own little space. Just kidding. So we're just gonna now sit out on the upstairs living room area with my mom, have a cappuccino, and maybe some little snacks, and then just go to bed after that. So we're just gonna have a nice little chill night. Spotted a little frog. Hello there.
You want to see a little frog?
So cute. Good morning. I come to you from the beautiful Bali villa, and we're about to go for breakfast at the restaurant. We could have ordered it here to the villa, but we decided to go to the restaurant. So we're gonna go do that. Then we're gonna come back, chill at the pool, and maybe explore the area around the villa.
Do you like your latte?
I haven't tried it yet. Let me try it. It's good actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. I need some sugar.
Sugar.
Gula.
What is sugar in?
On one
Gula.
side says sugar, one side goulash. Goodbye, coconut. We found a little wheelbarrow and a farmer who has left their flip-flops. It was so pretty, and actually quite a workout walking up and down all those steps, but it was really picturesque at the same time. Like, I have never seen anything like that in person. Now we're gonna go to a town, a village that has a name I don't remember, and we're going to go have lunch with a volcano view apparently. And then after that, we're gonna go to a coffee plantation where they give you 12 different types of coffees and teas to try. And I guess one of them is called like mangosteen tea, which I'm really interested in because, as you know, I love mangosteens. So should be good. Let's get going. So my favorite is this one, which is the same as this. So vanilla coffee. Okay, so one of the cool things about coffee in Bali is they have this special type of coffee called luwak. I think I'm saying that right. Coffee. And it's made out of, get this, poop from mongoose. How was it?
Pretty good. It's bitter.
You didn't put sugar though.
Wanna try it?
No. Well, good for you for trying. On our way to the beach in Sanur, that's by our hotel. And it's kind of like getting towards sunset, but I don't think we get to watch sunset from here, but that's okay. We'll see what it's like. Picture Parth with his latte. It's not a morning without a latte. And I have one too. I'm so hungry. Now we're just having some snacks that are free on the terrace. Parth is eating a little dessert. How is it? It was cappuccino mousse. And it had a little strawberry in it, and I like that. You like your drink? Rosa latte. Ginger something. Rosa. Okay. I'm just so-so on the ginger drinks. Cold ginger tea. So I just ordered a virgin mojito, and it came with a stick of sugarcane in it. Do you see this? And I only knew that it was sugarcane because when I was younger, I visited Sudan and they had sugarcane. And I thought it was cool. And I have not seen that ever since. Good stuff. It is incredibly nice at this hotel. Just like relaxing and doing nothing. And we had a nice lunch. And I stole some flowers from that tree right there to put in my hair. And now I see what they look like. Kind of cute. But yeah, we're just chilling, literally enjoying resort type life right now. Like so lush, so pretty here. Off we go to breakfast today. This breakfast is supposed to be really good. It's supposed to be a buffet breakfast. The last two places we were at were like a la carte, you order your breakfast, but buffet is more my jam when I'm on vacation. I like that more. This place is so cute. Look, I just walked through like a floral archway. And it's just so lush, so many flowers. I'm in love.
So many options. Whoa. What do we have here?
You should try that food.
I think they've got sushi here. Oh yeah, they do. Look. Oh, I'm gone. This is my meal.
This looks so good.
Oh my gosh. Ice cream and crepes. A room. What is this?
No, wait, this looks so good.
Oh.
Green tea and azuki twisted bread. Can we try that?
Holy.
They have a donut wall.
Holy.
And what's this?
I don't even know where to start.
Guava juice. There's no watermelon juice, part of. To your dismay. Okay, so this is called, what's it called?
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit, but it's the pink dragon fruit, as opposed to the white ones that I've seen in Canada. It's so bright fuchsia that when you bite into it, like it stains everything, but when you bite into it,
Smile.
it goes away though. It tastes good. I like it. Where are we going?
To the beach.
To the beach. There is a nice beach on the resort, and we're gonna show you it in just a second. We have our butter chicken, our tandoori chicken, and non-basmati rice, and then we have one Thai noodle coming, which we're both happy for, my mom and I. Yum. And our Thai noodles have come. Yum. How is it? Are you enjoying your Indian food?
Yeah.
I had some of the tandoori chicken. So good. Okay guys, so this is where the vlog is coming to a close. We are just hanging out by the pool for the rest of the day, and then we're gonna head to the airport and fly home on our 24-hour flight. This trip has been a blast. Thank you so much for coming along for the ride and watching. Until next time, bye.